Good morning. I just wanted to say good morning. It's morning, all morning long. The DiMauros have had Emily, and now Emily has gotten many baths, burps, blowouts, everything. I mean, you name it, she's had it. But I have never played with infants before, and I gotta say, after you get it a couple times and you know what you're doing, it's fun. It's challenging. A game's supposed to be challenging. This is one of many baths I think you'll see her getting. This is her first one. Notice Gizzy's always around in the pictures when I'm taking it. He loves the kid. The kid loves him. Steven is garbage messes he doesn't like. Of course, Giz is getting in the trash right now. But Giz is in almost every video. But Giz and Emily, they made really good friends. So Giz and Emily are the best of friends. Giz, in one of his favorite spots to sleep, is in Emily's room right there. I gotta make, when I make her other room, I'm gonna make a cat bed in there. This is Emily and Giz bonding, and I gotta say, this is too cute. Cute. She's bonding with him, she's petting him, she's talking to him. And he's like, yeah, I like you, kid. He's enjoying himself. But look at, I'm in awe of the way the creators got the details and stuff. And yes, you know, my computer ended up being like 3% or 4% fragmented yesterday, so I was lagging a little bit yesterday. I'm frustrated. But it's because I was fragmented. Some of this, she sounds like she's saying kitty cat, and daddy's home, and you gotta listen to her. See, she's petting Gizzy. Gizzy pets her back. Normal cat behavior. And of course he's gonna say, I like you. Yes, I do. I like you, kid, but I've had enough. He's a regular cat, and he acts like a cat in The Sims. That's so funny. The Sims have worked hard on this. I mean, they got glitches and stuff like that, and a lot of creators, but they've done amazing work with this whole game. I stand in awe from the games I used to have. Now watch, she's gonna have she's gonna use her diaper. Wait for it. Wait for it. There you go. Music note. Oh my god, it's so darn cute. And then, of course, here comes the blowout. Oh, poor thing. She needs a bath now. Dad is standing there, of course. That's, you know, he sounds like Steve in a lot of areas. He hates it whenever she poops. She doesn't like the messes made. He doesn't tolerate that stuff. And then she has another blowout. Another freaking blowout. And see, he doesn't like it. That's indicative. That would be Steve in real life. Now there's Stinky Emily. Sounds like she says daddy, doesn't it? There's Gizzy. He's finally hunting. Oh, I have to say, while she's getting her another bath, which is cute as button, again. She's getting another bath, and throughout this video, you'll see different things changing periodically. I have gotten some of the stuff to where it looks kind of cute. Like I said, we're going from $0 to bucks, so I have to, you know, do it as I go along. A lot of times it is thunder and lightning, and she gets scared. She's scared of thunder and lightning. Actually, all the Sims are scared of thunder and lightning. I just have to get that non-scared or storm chasers right. But it's funny because two things. One, our Like, even Patchy came and scared Steve last night. He scared the death out of him. They scare them whenever they're scared, and they scream, yell and scream. And a scream, a real, movie scream mask comes over their, icon. Okay, so this is one of many. She burps, and she burps out bubbles. It's adorable. You'll see how mismatched my house is. I'm trying to match it up, but it's hard to when you're first starting with no money. So, eventually I'll get there. I mean, even with the garden. This is my garden. This is me in the garden. This is indicative of me and my cats. My cats are all like Giz in this yard. I did not sync up the voice at this end. I didn't. So you're gonna hear things like that. That's loud. That's because I moved the camera. See how delayed it is? So yeah, the voice is delayed. The game is lagging. But right now, I got it good, and then I just gotta make sure I keep on doing the cleaning out. And I did cave into getting custom content, and I made it work, which is kind of cool. So I do have custom content in here now. But it's neat because these are growing, and the more experience you get, the more they grow. The more you don't have to throw them away, first of all. Second of all, the longer they stay, and the more money they're worth, depending on the quality of fruit you grow on here. So it's kind of a cool thing to do. At first, I just have it all over the place, but that's where I want my garden kind of situated. To paint the lawn costs nothing. And of course, I can go into unlock all the items and stuff, but right now, I'm trying to go with what Steve and Marie earned, which isn't that much still. And I didn't even have a baby shower for Emily, and I could have, but at the same time, I'm trying to fix my game where it runs smoother, and I'm trying to learn how to play the babies. After this, I was so exhausted. It's like true to life. It's like you get nothing done and very little time to relax. I don't know how many energy conversion days I've had. Conservation. So this is just... Now, we've had lots of tummy time, and the reason why I want to get this video out is because I think she's on the verge of crawling, and right now we don't crawl. And you'll see Giz gets into every video. She gets so mad. You see, even the maid, she gets all excited. Don't have enough for a butler, but I get a maid every...
Goodness.
I almost did it. I almost had another baby, but I'm having trouble with this one, so I don't want to mess it up. I'm doing good with Emily. You'll see all my pictures evolve too, on the walls and stuff. The whole house, the whole living room is gonna evolve. I like the tones in the living room though. The baby's bedroom's changed a little bit. I just went on some resource this morning. I found some cute little lamps for the living room. Still can't find floors and walls that match good, that I like. Yeah, I find them that match. Here I put Emily to bed, and then Marie and Steve went to bed. I'm like, you know what? F it. You know, she's in bed. It's been a long day. I felt like my real baby was here. It's been a long day. She's in bed. Let's leave her.
Oh, smishy.
Steve used to love doing that with Emily in real life. And it's gonna have another storm. And the thing I like, see, he doesn't like the smell, but he gonna get mad because he's hungry, and then she's gonna get mad because she's hungry.
Yellow pork.
But see, now it's gonna storm. Of course, it's gonna storm. And the look on her face is priceless. They did it really good, the creators. There's Giz. I want some milk too. Give me some. Dimmish. And here's the Burps. Yeah, isn't that cute? That is adorable. I just woke up myself. I'm having my first cup of coffee watching this. I want to get the video out. Lots of tummy time. Look, Giz is right there sniffing. Okay, Steve, what are you doing? Is that you or is that the baby? What smells in here? He's trying to make sure Steve didn't blow out his diaper. Oh, and I'm learning how to pan and zoom this program that's creating the video. I'm learning pan and zoom, and I'm learning it's better to zoom with the Sims video camera than it is this, because this distorts it more. And you will see that in this video when I try to get something cute. She sticks her foot in her mouth. It's adorable. Emily used to always do that. She actually sits like Emily used to, on her knees. I've never seen that. It's like, how do you get your knees back that far, you know? Look how filthy that changing table gets. I didn't realize how filthy it got. It's a good thing Marie likes to clean, because she cleaned it up pretty good. Lots of feeding, lots of bottles, lots of diapers and blowouts. Lots of tummy times. I did get them to pose for wedding pictures only so far.
Oh, yes!
That was a stressful day. I think I'm gonna have to cheat him happy. To me, it sounds like it says Daddy's here too. When she blown the raspberry after. And of course, Sims are this is a quirk. It's I put the table and couch too close together. Everything's too close together. So Steve gets stuck in the table a little bit. And I don't know if I'm gonna get snagged for copyright. I don't play music right now on here because of that. But here, I was thinking last night when I was watching this after I put it all together. It's so funny. Steve has gotten in touch with his feminine side in this. That's one thing he never was. He never was a romantic. He was always a manly man. So he's in touch with his feminine side in the game, which is different. That's one difference in him. Of course, there's my Giz.
Woohoo! This game.
she's gonna be, she is going to be, I swear she is going to be crawling soon. Wouldn't that be neat if they had her, you know, because they cruise along the furniture too? Wouldn't that be neat if they went from crawling to cruising? That would be awesome. These creators have done a really good job with the graphics and a lot of the things in this. See, she's getting on her knees. She is getting on her knees. So I don't know if they're going to have her go backwards first or what, because some kids do go backwards first when they first crawl, I've learned. It's been a long day. This is where it gets fuzzy because and she puts her foot in her mouth. But so next time I leave her alone like this and she does something cute like this, I'm gonna have to pan and zoom in the game. But that is freaking adorable the way they do that. And then of course she's gonna get up and she's gonna scooch. Look at Emily used to be like this on her feet, on her legs. There's Giz. He lost his voice. Oh, and all my guests and everything, they all have bags over their head for some reason. I don't know why. So, we'll figure this out. If not, I'll download the game again. I'll download the, you know, people from here and the whole thing. But I also have a vet clinic I'm creating. And it's funny because we actually had to go to the vet in this game. And so we went to my vet clinic that was unfinished. Of course, there's Giz again. Oh, and I had family things to do this weekend, but I kind of laid low because I don't have a car and I have my family. My family like picks me up and brings me places, and my friends do. And their trip up here didn't turn out the way it was supposed to, and it's such a major event that happened with them that I just didn't want to get in the way. I want them to be able to do what they have to do and think of what they have to do. So I didn't go. I hope they don't feel like I blew them off. I didn't go because I'm kind of a burden when it comes to picking me up and dropping me off and all that. I don't know, but I'm not, I shouldn't be at this point one of the people they're thinking about. That's a major life event happened, so you know the major life events, you can guess what it is. So I just wanted to lay low and leave them alone, and when she gets back to her home, I'll call her and explain to her. But right now, I just don't want to be in the way or a burden, you know. And they didn't say that, I said that. I like this part because you got Giz, you got Marie, you got Dad and Emily, and we're all doing something. Oh, and you should have seen Steve. Well, I got it recorded, but Steve was watching Marie work out last night, so it was funny. So of course there's another thunderstorm. Marie's getting a little hefty around the waist, and so is Steve. Steve needs to start exercising too. So I did revamp the house, as you can tell. I did kind of make it a little bit bigger in the living room because she wasn't working out at the television. So I wanted her to work out at the television, so I tried to revamp it to where there was room. And excuse me, I got to add the treadmill. And as you can see, I got pictures. I got new items, like the kitty cat bookshelf was so darn cute, I had to get it. And that pack came with a lot. Excuse me, a lot of cute things. Another diaper change. Another diaper change, another raspberry, another blowout, another bedtime. Difference is, look at Steven's little plum bot up there. He's nice and green. He's nice and in the green, so I'm happy with that. What was that? I just saw a green stripe go across there.
Barbie taxi, watch it. Hot dog.
This was so cute. Unexpected. I don't know whether it's the hair that's messing up that outfit or the outfit that's messing up, but they're both custom content. So I gotta figure out which one it is and take off which one. Here we're at my vet that I'm creating. I figured if any place needs one of those big fish tanks, it's here. And I'm very proud of this fish tank. Because this is the waiting room. The waiting room is for the most part done. Everything else wasn't. Now, I had to take Giz to the vet. Giz kind of turned blue and his nose was red. So I knew he was sick. So we had to come to the vet. Here's the vet that I'm building. I'm bragging about this fish tank. I love the fish tank. I watched a lot of videos about fish tanks last night when I went to bed. There's a few ideas that I got that I'm gonna try, but none that I can try now because I don't have enough money in my Sims account. But this is what I'm talking about. All the Sims have bags over their heads other than my family. I think I'm gonna try to take that mesh off Emily's hair and see if that fixes the problem, because it's got that little black across her face, so maybe that's what's doing it. So I'll do that today. I'll take that off today when I go into my game, and fix her hair, put a different hairstyle on her. And if it's that, then I'm taking the hairstyle out of the cache. I also, like I said, I'm bragging about the fish tank here, so this is the way it is. I had to go in and take each individual fish tank and add the fish to it in live mode. But small price to pay to make, to have a fish tank like this. I figure if any place has a nice little fish tank, it would be either in a restaurant, and then I've seen them in the vet should have one. So anyways, there's Giz. He's blue with a pink nose, and then the dog's got a pink nose. So apparently whatever Giz has is going around. The person in the scrubs is the doctor, and we sat here and we talked before I figured out that I forgot to put a doorway in the exam room. So I had to stop the game, I had to do the exam room, I actually put the things for the surgeries in too. So Giz not only got cured of his illness, but he also got a checkup with his shots, and he also got neutered. So he came home with the cone of shame. But I'm pretty proud of what just the waiting room looks like. The machines there, I got pet treats, so that Giz doesn't get sick. And you can see now the doctor's coming to get Giz. And we're home. Giz has the cone of shame on, which is kind of cute. They should also, now they got for cats and dogs, they got the little onesies too, which I think is more appropriate, because then in real life, the female cats aren't going to pull out their stitches. They're the ones that I had problems with pulling out stitches. The male cats I really didn't have problems with. But that's the end. Thank you for watching. You've been great, and this has been a treat to show you this, and next time maybe baby Emily will be crawling. That'll be cool. Have a good day and an even better tomorrow.